everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with yet another interesting video. This one is a little special because it was a suggestion by one of our viewers. And I thought this to be a great opportunity to put in all my thoughts process and discuss on the points that are rarely spoken about. So make sure you watch the entire video. Many times I have seen candidates enter the interview room with a confused and nervous face. But to tell you as a matter of fact, your interview begins not when you enter the interview room, but when you begin your day. So make sure you start your day on a positive note so that the positivity seeps into every action you do. Preparing for an interview requires you to revise not just the technical skills, but also think of your past accomplishments. This will surely make you feel good as well as build your confidence. The next important thing that you need to maintain is always wear a smile. Now there are several ways by which we attend a job interview. It could be a telephonic or a Zoom conference or a walk-in job interview. The first and foremost thing that you need to make sure is being comfortably dressed. When you're comfortably dressed, you give in space for ideas and thoughts that need to flow in when you're answering an interview question. Also, it helps you give a good posture when you're seated in an interview room. So this in turn helps you give a first good impression about yourself. The next important point is your body language. Remember, too many facial expressions exhibit your nervousness. So make sure you maintain as much poise and subtleness as you can. Your interviewer looks out for qualities in you that resonate with the job profile. So make sure you have the right pick of examples to quote that will exhibit you as the perfect fit for the job position. It is very important that you do a research back about the company. This will help you to reply to some of the most commonly asked questions like, why should we hire you? Or what makes you interested to work with us? Be sure to make a list of points about the company's goal and mission that coincide with your capabilities to achieve them. Sometimes the interviewer may pose you a question that you were not prepared for, or maybe you do not know the answer to. So some of us may go with the blank expression like, here is the trick. You can play around with some words and buy some time for yourself. For example, you could say, well, that's a good question, but I've never given it a thought. Maybe I will think about it. Or you could even say, well, that's a complex question and I really need to think about it. Maybe I will, and you can just quote your reply. Trust me, this is the most common trick used by the successful people when they need time to answer a question. By doing this, you buy time to pull in all your thoughts together that you can best answer to the question. Also, it will buy you some time to reply to the question without sounding confused or nervous. But genuinely, if you do not know the answer to the question or cannot get enough of your thoughts to answer it, then be honest and reply that you genuinely don't know the answer to this and maybe you will get back to it sometime later. But make sure you reply to the question later as the interviewer will not forget it if you plan to skip it. Your replies are of critical importance because many times they lead the interviewer to the next question. So be specific and wise to make sure in which direction you are taking the interview. For example, when you are asked, tell us about your strengths. Maybe you could quote an example like you were responsible for a very noble initiative in your organization where you reduced the wastage of paper cups by introducing ceramic mugs to the employees. Such replies will always exhibit multiple qualities in you like initiative skills, collaborative skills, and problem-solving capabilities. During an interview, a candidate is always looked up for his soft skills along with his technical skills. So you make sure that you maintain a balance between both of these, especially when you are opting for a managerial position. So these were the few of easy points that will help you reply to the tricky questions during an interview. If you find this video helpful and has helped you crack some interview, then do let us know your success stories in the comment section below. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.